Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco X6 Pro 5G. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in that box you will find another yellow box here, small one, and if you open it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. Just release it. Otherwise, if you want, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care, because next to the SIM tray you will find another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care and use the hole which one is a part of the SIM tray. Okay, please take now your SIM ejection tool or your paperclip and enter this hole here which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and optional another one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here in the middle. Huh? Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Press it well here, so that's well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner of the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner here of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. And if you want, you can add now on the other side of the SIM tray a second SIM card. So press it well here again, and same thing also here, missing corner, two missing corner, and the contacts are here on top as well. Okay, if you're ready with it, just put your construction back into the SIM slot. So SIM 1 is to the display side now, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos with some tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.